This is an experimental helicopter. Specially fitted out with armor plate and heavily armed, it is on its way to neutralize a landing zone in the central highlands of South Vietnam, where shortly troops of the 1st Air Cav will be going in. Approaching the target, a shower of 2.75 rockets fired from 2 rocket pods scours the area. Now on top of the target, the helicopter's gunnery crew opens up with caliber 50 machine gun fire, raking the area from one end to the other. Returning to its base at An Khe, the big CH-47A Chinook lands on one of the maintenance area pads. The program to evaluate these $4.5 million choppers is being conducted from here. At the pad, an evaluation board officer discusses the craft's performance with the flight engineer. Guns A-Go-Go is the name given to this special aviation detachment and its experimental program, which includes daily maintenance. In addition to mechanical maintenance, there is electronic upkeep on items like the servo amplifier, which controls the chopper's grenade launcher system. 2,562 pounds of armor plate protect the Chinook's vital component areas. An armor specialist checks the installation before every flight. A total of 38 2.75 rockets are fired from 2 pods. A 40-millimeter grenade launcher mounted in a ball turret on the helicopter's nose fires 700 rounds in one loading. There are 5 caliber 50 machine guns on this ship, 2 on each side and 1 aft. With these weapons systems, plus 2 20-millimeter cannon, the experimental machines offer the firepower of 8 fully equipped HU-1B gunships. A scramble has been called, and the members of the Chinook's 7-man crew rush to their stations. The mission calls for an airstrike against an enemy automatic weapons position 16 kilometers northeast of Quy Nhon. Fire team missions are only part of the support work done by these special aircraft. Only moments from the target, one chopper flies security while the other makes its first pass below. Now in action, the number 2 ship unleashes a rocket attack. Repeated hits mark the enemy positions. Dropping down and passing directly over the target, the big chopper serves as a shooting platform for the 5 machine gunners. Enemy ground fire pelts the ship. Like 2 infuriated bumblebees, the CH-47As come back again. Protected by their armor, which can turn away caliber 50 fire, the big ships pound the enemy with massive firepower. Next time around, there is no resistance from the ground. A gaping hole in the cabin ceiling attests to the enemy ground fire encounter during this mission. The evaluation of the effectiveness of these armored and armed helicopters continues. Despite hits from enemy ground fire, the fortified choppers are establishing a remarkable record in Vietnam.